What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and we're bringing you a new project. This is our brand new 2023 Ford F150 regular cab, short bed, 5-liter Coyote with 4-wheel drive. We're going to be working with a bunch of our partner companies to make this thing an absolutely sick drag truck. But this morning, there was some sad news yesterday. Ken Block died, so we're going to try and start a little something here, and we're going to do some burnouts for Ken. Let's do a little walk around of the truck. It's a little base model. We've already been taking her on some rips. Good fun. We'll make this truck look good, sound good. Plans to put our twin turbo kit on it. We're gonna be working with Oz. That's right, Oz with Oz Racing, Oz Tuning. Oz, the truck guy. He'll be handling all of our tuning. But yeah, it's a pretty dang good looking truck. I have to admit, I did the first burnout with like 7 miles on the odometer. Totally smoked in front of Cody, like just lit him up. It's got a locking rear diff, so just locked the diff and stomped on it, and she rips the tires off pretty dang good. So since Cody gets here, we'll be doing some burnouts. Show you guys the inside. Still has that new car smell. See, 87 miles, 75th anniversary. Nice little truck. That rubber floor is fantastic, and the vinyl seats, definitely the way to go in a work truck. And here we go. Gen 3 Coyote. Loads of room under here. Loads of room for activities. Should be fun. Loads of plans for this. Hopefully we're getting our suspension kit ordered today. Wheels, tires, make it start looking good, and then we'll start building our twin turbo kit on it. It is going to be a mid/rear mount kit. All catalytic converters will be maintained, so we don't have to mess with the EPA stuff. But yeah. This does the power over a brake applied because it's still on a stock can. So it's a completely stock truck with 88 miles on it. What a ripper. Quick little update. We've obviously done our VAS 3.5 drop kit on Blizzard, but I just made a muffler delete for it. Yeah, buddy. Looks sick. Basically goes right to the resonator. Looks awesome. Sounds good. We'll open it up and fire her up. Yeah. Sounds freaking awesome. Love this truck. Random update for you guys. I think we're becoming a truck shop. Got the big diesel, got the Raptor, got the Jeep. We got Cody's new F150. Got my new F150. It's truck stuff everywhere. Like, what the hell? Oh yeah, we got another Raptor around the corner. Truck stuff everywhere.